Until now, we have learned how to draw walls in the plan view, elevation view and 3D view. Now most of the time it do happens that the walls or the structural walls have some predefined shapes. For example, most of the time structural walls or these RCC walls are used in the lift wells. So to make our work easier, ETABS is offering an option to draw wall stacks. And we can draw wall stacks in plan view, elevation view and 3D view. So this beautiful option of drawing new wall stack option window will open. Here you will find that you can draw as many as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 type of predefined different wall stacks. And ETABS is also offering us preview as well as the dimensions. For example, if we want to draw this type of wall stack, so ETABS is offering all the different dimensions and the flexibility that we can enter the different type of wall thickness in different type of walls. Let the core width Lx is 3.3 meter. That is from this point to this point. Let it be 3 meter. Ly1, that is from this point to this point. Let it also be 3 meter. Ly2 3. Number of cores n. Let it be 2. And if we enter 3 here, you will see that the number of lift well automatically gets increased. Uniform width yes. If we enter no here, you will see that opening width option is now different. So in this case, let it be yes. Thickness T1, let it be for example 400 mm. Opening height, let it be 1.95 meter. And opening width, let it be 0.9. That is, what exactly it shows us that this distance is approximately 0.9 meter. And when we will see this opening in the elevation view from this view, the height will be 1.95 meter. As our wall stack is symmetrical about both the axes, so this option doesn't matter. When we left click on OK option, you will find that we can just drag our mouse over the plan view and then again just left click here. You will also find an option to place this wall stack in the 3D view also. So we have just drawn a wall stack with the help of 3D view option. To draw the same wall stack in the plan view, we can just again left click here and you will see that we have drawn a wall stack in the plan view also. So this option may also makes a lot of work easier for the structural engineers. We need to just go to draw wall stacks and then select the type of wall that we want to use. User will also notice that each and every wall is named differently. This is the straight wall. This is wall with end zones, straight wall with opening, C-shaped wall with lips. That is this part and this part. L-shaped wall, I-shaped wall, E-shaped wall, F-shaped wall, single cell wall, multi-cell wall. This we had done multi-cell wall with as much number of cores as user wants. This is also a double cell wall type 2. This is a double C-shaped wall. This is a C-shaped wall with zones. That is this part and this part. C-shaped wall zone 2 and custom wall section. That is, we can draw the wall stack as per user requirements. So in this lecture we have learned how to simply draw wall stacks as per the user requirements. We can either draw a wall with the help of this option, or we can just simply draw wall stack. The main difference between this option and this option is that wall stack is drawn from story 0, that is foundation level, to the uppermost level by default. And in this option it will be drawn only for one story. That is, for example, if in the plan view we are standing on the story 1, the wall will be drawn from story 1 to story 0 only.